Hey guys, what's up? It's your Sunny trainer, Sydney. Welcome back to Sunny Health and Fitness. Today I have an awesome, quick, but super high intensity 10-minute rowing pyramid intervals workout for you guys. So hop on your rower, get strapped in. Basically the way that this workout works is we're gonna be working in different intervals. So we're gonna start with a 1-minute row, followed by a 1-minute rest. Then we're gonna do 45 seconds to a 45-second rest, 30 to 30, 15 to 15, and then we're gonna be working our way back up 15, 30, 45, finally finished by 1 minute. All right, so your resistance throughout this workout is really gonna vary based on your fitness level. Definitely choose something that's challenging for you, but you also want something that you're going to be able to really push your pace during these intervals of work. All right, for our stroke rate today, we're gonna be following a progressive stroke rate. So as we get down to 30 to 15 seconds, I really want you guys to be pushing the pace even faster and harder than you were during the 1 minute and 45 seconds. That being said, it doesn't mean that we're not going to be pushing the pace during the 1 minute and 45 seconds. So pick something that you know you can maintain for that period of time, because 1 minute and 45 seconds is a little bit longer. All right, so let's get started. Strap in, set your resistance. We're going to start out with a 1-minute row. All right, let's get to it in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Thirty more seconds. Really get into a nice rhythm here. Relax that grip. Your arms should be coming straight in and straight out. Great work. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo. First interval done. 1 whole minute of rest. Soak it in. Grab a drink of water if you have one nearby. Let's prepare for our next interval. 45 seconds. We're going to kick up the pace a little bit. Catch your breath. About 30 more seconds of rest here, and we'll get right into it. Enjoy this sweet rest while we have it, because when we're right in the middle of this thing during those 15, 30-second intervals, the rest is not going to be as long, so soak it in. 10 more seconds. Get set up, let's get ready to go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 45 seconds on the clock. Let's really push that pace. Big, strong drive with those legs. Fifteen more seconds. Keep going. And rest. Woohoo! Oh, that was a tough one. All right. In about 30 seconds, we're going to start with that 30-second interval. You guys are doing so awesome. Stick with me. I'd like to say it gets easier from here, but we're only going to be pushing that pace faster and getting less rest. So buckle up. It's gonna be tough, but 10-minute workout, you guys can do 10 minutes of anything. All right, in 3, 2, 1, 30-second interval. Pushing power through those legs. Squeeze those lats. Seconds. And 3, 2, and 1. Give it a rest. 30 seconds off. Next up, 15 seconds. I want this 15 seconds to be quick, powerful, putting all of our energy into it. Come on. You've got this. 10 more seconds, and we'll get started. Ready? Let's do it. 15 seconds. Come on. All out. Push that pace as fast as you can. And rest. Whew. Another 15 seconds coming up quick. Let's get ready. And 3, 2, 1, let's go. Last one, and rest. Great job, you guys. All right, quick rest, and we're right back into the 30. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, 30 seconds is still pretty quick, so we're staying on that pace. 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Great job, you guys. Nice work. You're doing so amazing. Woo! This is a tough one. It's quick but tough. You guys are doing great. We have about 15 more seconds of rest. Thank goodness. And then we are on to our 45-second row. Whoop, whoop. We're almost done. All right, let's get ready. 45-second row in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Now you'll notice 45 seconds in 1 minute. Our stroke rate is going to be a little slower, just like where we started. That's natural and okay. Still pushing. And 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Oh my, that was tough. Okay, only 1 minute left between us and the end of this workout. Awesome. You guys are doing so great. We have 30 more seconds of rest. So soak it in, and then we're going to do that last 1 minute push. I know you guys can. All right, 5 more seconds. Let's get pumped. All right, in 3, 2, 1, let's go. push with those legs. Let those legs do the dirty work. Nice and smooth follow through. And 3, 2, 1, and rest. Oh my gosh, thank goodness. Okay, as we are resting and you're feeling ready, we are gonna get into a light little warm up here. So just 1 minute of easy rowing. Bring that resistance all the way down. Nice and light row, as slow as you want. Let's just bring that heart rate all the way down. Relax those muscles. And bring that breathing back down to normal. Nice, big, deep breath. Great job. And bring it to rest. All right, you guys, amazing job today. What a great, quick 10-minute workout you guys got in today. Thank you so much for joining me. We'll see you guys next time.